Bosque Nuevo had started in 1995 as a research and reforestation project, and then in 2000 we started growing butterflies, and we became butterfly farmers with the idea to supply around the world. In total, we have around 12 greenhouses, 600 meters each one. We have been working with around 100 species of butterflies with the rest of the butterfly farmers. It's been very grateful to see how this butterfly industry is helping lots of families around the world. It's not just in Costa Rica, but butterfly farmers, in the cases in Costa Rica, we have seen them, the metamorphosis is being showing in their families, how everything looks way better, better quality of life, more opportunities for their child when they have careers or finish schools or high schools. So we have to thank you to everyone is being helping to all these communities, families, and also into the industry.
For the past 30 years, El Bosque Nuevo has used 100% of their profits to purchase old-growth rainforest habitat around their operation for conservation. They currently own and protect over 1,000 acres of some of the most important and biodiverse rainforest habitat in Central America.